no motor, bro. Good job, gang. You got it up. Oh, God damn.
Time of this shit right
You got it. Damn.
Right line. DT.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today, check this out, man. This is like part 2 of, you know, getting the Hellcat ready to go back to where it needs to go so it can pass. So I start making real deal content with the car. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Now let's go. So we do got some parts over here that I had went to the Dodge dealership and go get. Basically, here's the upper frame rail. Don't know what that is. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I know I needed it. And I actually got another part that I gotta go back to the Dodge dealership and pick up in a few minutes. But first, before we go do that, the motor is out of my Hellcat. So basically doing all of this, you have to take the motor out. I'm pointing at this car like this is the Hellcat, but this is definitely the Camry, the Mobile. But so to finish and do the job correctly, to make sure everything is in the spots, the factory seams of what they're calling for, the motor had to be pulled, sadly. So I'm actually gonna get ready to head to the shop. They're actually like right down the street. Get there so I can see the car without the motor. And it's actually gonna get towed to the body shop today as we speaking right now. So I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there. She ain't on cap. I know my car, bro. I know my car, bro. I know it. Nah, real shit though, I ain't gonna cap. I need some gas before I be walking. Yeah, I need some gas before I be walking. Well, let's go do that. Oh Lord. Oh God damn. Well, damn. That shit is all one unit, bro. Yeah, you pretty smooth. You did everything real smooth.
Yep, didn't even disconnect that cut off.
Yeah, should be good to go then. Hopefully he do his work quick and I can bring it back to you. Hopefully you can get it back in there quick.
We'll work on it.
I got you, bro. Man, it's weird sitting here looking at my motor.
The only thing I did see, these were rusted. As soon as I went to pop them, you see they broke. Yeah. So
you have to put some new ones in, or
if you want, if you smooth time, throw a header on there if you want. Short tube, you get some direct bolt ends.
Damn, bro, how much are headers though?
$200.
What can how would they get here before I can put the motor back?
That's what I'm saying. You just have to check online, see if you can find you some. I was just saying, cut. All they do is swap them out right there. And then when we go back in, they're already on there.
Already on there. Type shit. That's something for me to think about. That's smooth idea right there, my boy. Boy said go ahead and throw some shorty headers on my shit, man. That motherfucker already loud as hell, bro. No motor in here, bro. No motor.
No motor?
No nothing. No motor, no trans. And we rolling it up, man.
We'll watch you.
Man, that shit look weird as hell with no motor, bro. Dang. Dang. Good job, my boy. Good job, gang. You got it up there for me. Yeah, I got it. Damn.
Can you keys right there by the gear shift.
Yeah, I seen it. Hey, can you tell him what you just told me? Cause I might forget. You said the
Yeah. Okay. So basically, before they go do any welding, just unplug the computer sitting right there. It's sitting in that cubby right there. Okay. It's just one plug. Because if they don't unplug, they start welding. You might have to buy the computer. Okay. All right. There's no problem. I'll let him know. I'll let him know.
Hey. So y'all see, Bert here first. Got the cat on the trailer. You know, ready to go get the E-part put on and go ahead and get this motherfucker all the way 100% right, man. 100% right, bro. I know it looks funny looking at my car with no motor in it, bro. It looks funny as hell. Looks funny as hell looking at the Hellcat with no motor in it. Crazy. I'm about trying to strap my hood down. We don't need my mom flying out, bro, on the road, bro. We don't need that happen. There we go. I'm gonna strap my dude down, man.
As long as it don't break, we good.
Oh, we good. My dudes ain't going nowhere. See, she's still under that run. You know, we ain't got no motor, but she's still under that though.
Still look bad. Hey, you'd be amazed how heavy that transmission, that motor is. Holy shit. Look at the weight. Look at the suspension on the front of your car.
I did notice that shit.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, when I pulled out, I was like, damn, why does it look like it's sitting like, it looked like that bitch was squatting.
It was like it was blowing the damn engine hoist.
Hey man, 5,000 pound car, probably 3,000 pound motor. It make it balance out. I did not notice that, bro. That bitch is sitting in the air though.
Hey, that's the long shit. Hey, that's the long shit. Coming out the hole.
There you go. Damn. So it is the next day. I pulled up to the shop. And y'all know my uncle was fixing my car. He had his whole head in the fender. My boy is sitting in the engine bay, bro. The whole engine bay. Wow, we got a task on our hands, boy. I ain't seen my car so long. So here's what's going on, man. So basically, this got to get replaced. This whole thing got to be replaced. This is that part. Now, reasoning having to pull the engine is because basically that part that I just showed y'all right here, part right here, has to go all the way back to the factory seam, and that's damn near in the firewall. That little hook has to go all the way up under the firewall. So that little hook goes all the way under the car, and I'm like, yeah, you can't get to that without pulling the engine. And you have to. Oh, that boy gotta get swift. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look atrocious. This shit look atrocious, boy. Yeah, I just gotta try the process. Gotta try the process, man.
The following day.
Alright, y'all, it is the next day, and when I tell y'all, I am getting a little disappointed because I want to be back in my Hellcat because I'm missing 3 events today. Today was G1GB show and also Dubai in Atlanta, and I also was supposed to take my car to Staples for the back to school drive, and I missed all 3 of them hoes. So what we're about to do now, we're about to go head up to the shop and get an update on what the hell's going on with the cat, man. Trying to get this shit good, trying to get this shit official. Just need some answers. Alright, so we then pulled back up here. And it still looks like a goddamn catastrophe. But this looks like a goddamn fucking catastrophe, boy. But we making some progress. I know to y'all it's not gonna look like no progress, but I'm gonna get a little bit of explanation so y'all know what the hell is going on. So look, I can tell y'all this before I ask my boy a question. This was the main culprit of what they said I needed to fix. And this bitch is in here. He just gotta weld it down. There was a tiny hole that was right here. I think somewhere right in this, somewhere in this area right here, somewhere in this little, I had to replace this whole piece. So what else do we gotta do to get this motherfucker back together?
Well, we passed the tearing down. We going back together now. You got your frame back on now. We're gonna take the outside, put the outside frame back on.
Oh yeah, speaking of that shit, let me tell you how the fuck Dodge is so goddamn retarded. They give you this P, right? They give you this whole P. But they take this part off. So this is a whole separate P right here. So what my boy gotta do, he gotta goddamn take this side off and put this side on this side. Bro, ain't that the stupidest thing, bro? Bro, let me tell y'all this. This part over here with one part. This part with one part, but they go together as one. Dodge just want you to spend some money. Why they didn't just put the outside piece with that one and sell it as one? Dodge, count your days. Count your days, Dodge. Now, beside DP, what else is left?
What we're gonna do is we got it stable. We're gonna go back and spot weld it back in. Then we'll come back and get your squirt towel. We'll have to place this in place and spot weld that back on now.
I know they said my strut tile might have been, is it off or is it like?
It's not off. We got like it's just bent a little bit right there. We had to straighten it out, just knock it in and dial it and straighten it out right there. Straighten it a little bit, go back up there, and
then we go
grind it and weld it back on there.
Cool.
And then we'll go back to the real bracket that go at the bottom and weld that back on there.
Then from there we'll be good to go on.
Yeah. Then we'll be putting cooler back on top of it.
So really you putting the top pieces in last.
We'll put the top piece, put that piece, then we'll come back. And we're gonna when we put the squirt tile on him, the squirt tile will come back out here and then we'll start going back with this right here.
That gonna make
the outside pillow so you can put your fenders and all that stuff back on him. That's
cool.
Just a process, a little tedious work. Yeah.
Okay,
We about to got your back right there.
Okay, cause
Yeah, we'll be shooting a little video at the end of the day.
Man, cause look at that my car with no engine. That shit hell, bro.
It's gonna be a lesson to everybody else out there.
Man, look. Did y'all hear what he just said? This is a lesson learned. Please. And I said it in my last video when I was talking about the truth about my Hellcat. Please look at what the hell you buying. Cause this little tiny hole in this frame.
It ain't that bad as you business, so by the time you still saving.
Oh yeah, at the end of the day now, I will say this.
It's a little process, but you still saving at the end of the day.
I'm going through complete hell right now, but once it's all said and done, I'm Gucci.
Smile on your face again.
I'm gonna have a smile. I'm gonna have a smile on my face when it's all said and done.
You smiling again.
But look, though, I'm gonna let my boy continue to work. You know, cause he's trying to get this Hellcat up out of here, so I'm gonna get it back to the people that pulled the motor out of it, so they can put the motor back in, get everything back running. And I can go ahead and get the car back on the road. So hope y'all guys really enjoyed this video. That's gonna be all for this one. Make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And until next time, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.